So this is my latest project that I've been working on, and it is a model, it will be a police car based off this model. So obviously when it's painted it will have stripes and stuff on it. But anyway, onto the features of this car. Well, we don't have that many. It has 4-wheel drive, and the 4-wheel drive system basically works. You have the motor at the front, which drives through a prop shaft down to this, which is the transfer case, and basically this has a 50% gear reduction in it. The motor is also 50%, and then that splits it front and back to front and rear axles, and the front axle obviously has a driven steering mechanism, and for the first time one of my models the servo is not actually mounted to the axle, which gives it better suspension clearance. Inside, currently the interior is a bit Spartan. You've got leather seats though in the front. These are fixed in the front. In the back, also leather seats, but the back seat, as you can see, it's fully at the top and then folds down. And that's useful if the bonnet falls off, because then the bonnet does fit in the boot. The boot has a split folding tailgate, so the top opens and the back folds down, and that's also leather covered. That has a little locking mechanism on it to keep the boot down, which doesn't really work that well because it's not bolted together at the moment. So it's got the dashboard. Now this is the centre console, that's not in yet. This will have the buttons which will control the light bar and the headlights. And the buttons for that, as usual. Yeah, the dashboard will be trimmed with wood. It's currently already trimmed in leather. It's got some nice little details on it. So it's got the steering column, and then if you look at the door, you have the leather backing plate. Then you have the I don't know what you call it, where the tray thing is, not the glove compartment, CD tray. Then you have a little speaker grill in there, and a little chrome back plate to clean the leather. This is the back, it's very similar, just hasn't got the backing plate on it yet. So it's also got chrome wheels, well, silk silver chrome wheels which are bolted. So you just take the one bolt out if you want to remove them. Then there's just this square piece, remove that. And that's what holds the wheels on. And this is really quick and also works quite well. Quick and hassles free. So in the front it's got a 920 kV motor running through 18 amp PSC. The front you've got a splitter, that's removable, which gives you increased angle of attack while driving off road. You might see that in a minute. The bump's got headlights at the front, here and here. Also will have lights in the grille which will be blue, and it has fog lights mounted in the splitter. Has got adjustable mirrors, moves up and down slightly, and then it's got removable bumpers on the front and back. They obviously I don't know why you bother removing them. These will be painted black to contrast the rest of it. So the print times on this was quite long. That was the longest, that was 12 hours I think, and that was about 8. These two bits about 6, 8 I think, 6 again for that bit. So it took a long time to print, as you can imagine, but it's also quite big. That's all the features really. Oh, that looked great. There you go. Third time lucky. Top notch. I almost got killed 3 times trying to set this one up.